Still a little breezy, but not as terrible as you guys saw in the eye wall. It's also raining a little bit, but Jesus, look at all of the debris and destruction. A lot of stuff just flew around for a couple of hours. It was so surreal, especially on this back part, which we're walking to right now.
After checking on our immediate area, we used this time to clean up our waterlogged equipment and charge our phones.
At least somewhat calm. We are actually in the pretty much dead center eye of Hurricane Ian right now, so we're just waiting for that second round on the other side of the eye to move through. But there's a lot of damage. We had some very, very serious winds come through here. Flying debris. I mean, the whole 9 yards. It was bad, and we're hoping for at least an easier ride on the next eye wall, but we'll see.
All right, Logan, please stay safe out there. I understand you're in your car because it's so dangerous, but thank you for...
At about 6 p.m., it happened. All at once.
Guys, this is unbelievable. That second eye wall hit, and it hit immediately. And we've been dealing with this now. I mean, these are such fearsome, strong winds. The back eye wall of Hurricane Ian in Punta Gorda, right in downtown. Wow.
All through here. Look at this. The garage is shaking so much. Yo, what the f? What the heck?
This is insane.
Are people trying to leave?
I hope not. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we can't move much, dude.
Yeah, I can't go anywhere. It's too much.
I don't think he's even looking at it. I think he's recording too.
Okay, cool.
Maybe.
Who's this behind us?
I don't know. We can't move, dude. That's gonna push the car over.
Where the fuck's that?
Yeah, we need communication ASAP. This is insane. Right when we thought there's no way it could get crazier.
Right. Oh, balls.
Oh my gosh. Is he?
Did he just honk?
I think maybe. I can't see. Okay, maybe he's moving. That car is more low to the ground, so.
Yeah.
Buddy in the Hellcat here. Oh my gosh, I hope that car comes back. Look at behind you too. Oh, wow. Dude, I can't even comprehend what's happening right now. I really can't.
Tell me, you're inside a garage, is that correct?
Yeah, we're inside a parking garage with a ton of other chasers and news reporters, and I'll tell you what, this back eye wall just hit, and it is impressive. I mean, these gusts are and I'm not lying to you, probably closing in on 200 miles an hour. I mean, the whole building is shaking. Our car is being lifted off of the ground as we speak. I'm trying my best to hold steady. More debris flying up, way up in the air. This is dire. I mean, I've never seen anything like this in my life, and this is absolutely historic.
All right, you've been chasing a lot of storms. Punta Gorda is where in relation to Fort Myers Beach, which is ground zero for where it hit?
I believe we're north. Yeah, we're north of Fort Myers, by maybe 30 minutes or so. But this is as much ground zero as it is down there. We're pushing 200-mile-an-hour winds. I'm not kidding.
Now, that you say the parking lot is shaking?
The whole building is vibrating and buckling, and our car is being lifted and bounced on its suspension and tires.
Why do you do this work?
This is my passion.
I can't see. You can't see anything. This is literally like a tornado. Wow. There's going to be nothing left, dude. I don't know how long we're going to be stuck here, but there's going to be nothing left. I'm convinced now.
I kind of want to move.
To where?
I don't know. I don't know.
We need to say some prayers, man. This ain't letting up.
Dear Lord, in the name of Jesus, please put your protection around us and on this building. Please protect us.
Check radar. See how much longer this is gonna last.
Fuck.
Oh, you're still on the brake, right?
Yes.
Holy. How is this possible?
Stairwell? Please.
For what? Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's go down if we can, but please be careful. It's gonna be so sketchy. You want to wait till it dies down?
Dies down a little bit, yeah.
Maybe. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord, please. Trying to reposition.
At around this time, strips of rubber broke loose from between concrete slabs. A foot of standing water on each floor added to our worries.
Don't go that far, because if that surge is working in because of this heavy rain,
You're right.
maybe the next level in the same area we just were.
I was thinking right here.
Nah,
No?
there's no room. No room for other people to slip through.
What about right here?
Yeah, this is a lot better.
I like this much better.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
And I'm thinking I'll go to that back.
Around this time, in between recordings, a red Toyota RAV4 came into the parking garage, likely a resident fleeing their home. It had flat tires, a busted out rear window, and missing completely off its front left tire.
Guys, all the prayers that we can get right now. Ground zero, worse winds than the first eye wall. This is not a joke. Look at this. These gusts are at least 200 miles an hour. Lord, put your hand of protection over us, God. Please protect all the storm chasers in here, the reporters. Lord, please protect the citizens in this area. Oh my. God, please help us. Getting into the stairwell. Holy. This is the most incredible thing I will probably ever see in my life. Guys, this is incredible. Oh, Lord, please.
After a near hour-long assault, we finally felt comfortable to move out.
Oh my.
After a full day's beatdown, the winds finally started to recede. As the non-existent sun set, we made our beds in the car.
Yeah, so pretty much ever since we got out of that secondary eye wall after intercepting the eye of the hurricane, we've had some tropical storm force sustained gusts or tropical storm force sustained winds and then occasional hurricane force gusts. You can still hear some things banging around outside, really because all the loose debris, is still getting blown around in the winds. But yeah, we are without power and we are trapped in the parking garage for at least tonight. So.
Logan, as a storm chaser, how does this compare to other storms that you've been chasing around?
Oh, see, this one, so far, hands down, this is the most intense storm that I've ever intercepted, for sure.
With the roads cleared up enough, it was finally time to work our way out of the parking garage. Punta Gorda did fairly well, considering they rebuilt to Cat 5 status after Hurricane Charlie in 2004.
I feel like I'm driving through.
Anything not built to code, including trees and signs, were flattened.
There's no stop signs. There's nothing, dude. It's all flat. There's taking off. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That's flowing water too. These cranes fell during the winds. There were like 4 or 5 cranes here. They all fell. Incredible damage. What the fuck? 320 cross. Smells like fresh wine. Yeah, it does. Wow, then that's pretty crazy. So far not as deep as what we went through last. Yeah. At least I don't think. Probably 2 foot max.
By the grace of God, we made it back to I-75. The ride home was a long and quiet journey. Please consider donating to victims of Hurricane Ian. Links in the description below.